Here's the bass part to number 6 in our cantata, The Name of Jesus. I'm going to begin at the top of 48 where it says, "There's such a power," and go all the way to the end of this song. I'm going to play the bass part one time through, but you may listen as many times as you'd like. Here we are, top of 48. 1 and 2 and go.